Hello, William Brown here. What you're looking at is my pink standard Compton and a bit of a mess here. And within the next few weeks, I finally got the efficiency apartment here, and we'll be moving in probably towards the end of the middle to the end of this month, maybe December at the absolute latest. And it's got its own full bath and one sink, because you'll see it when I make a video of it, of the place. But the toilet that's in there is a 1990s, I'd say mid to late 90s Gerber Aquasaver, and it's junk. So this will be the toilet of choice for now to replace it. As you can see, the flush handle is a Mansfield flush handle now. You get my 200A valve in its original packaging, and the toilet has a 200A valve in it that I put in it, the Gerber that is, and that will be getting transferred over to this one, and the Gerber will be getting scrapped for this far better toilet. Yeah. So the kitchen sink will be getting this brand new Mansfield Moen Adler faucet for it, because the one in there is cheap and junky. It doesn't even have a sprayer. It sounds like a Mansfield. Well, we've installed the 210 flush valve in it, and we still have the 400A valve in it for right now. This is a 1980s, I'd probably say early to mid 80s 400A. It works perfectly fine. It's cleaned up and the seals on it. It's good. You can tell here's the original style angle adapter, which, sorry about the cut on my hand. That happened at work weeks ago. And it's got that little extension piece on the end right here, which I'm pointing out with my thumb, which fits perfectly in these Mansfields. Now, why they stopped manufacturing them like that in the late 80s and just made it shorter, I don't know. It was just a stupid idea. But yeah, anyway, this will help conserve the water a little bit. It'll still have a great flash. Toilet, don't get me wrong, the toilet will still have a great flash, but once the tank's empty, this will shut. It's not gonna. It doesn't. A toilet, a forward trap toilet like this does not need a tilt valve. Like the Cadet does. So I still have the tilt valve in that handle that goes with it, which will be reserved for use on another Cadet that needs it when I require it. But yeah, this will be the toilet that's going in there. Everything's all perfect. As you can see, this one has the metal rod instead of the plastic rod on the inside. And I needed it to be long and bendable, because when I put this handle on, the lever inside was rubbing up against the inside of the tank because of the way that it's angled. So I was able to, make it perfect, make it work perfectly. The toilet will be remaining with this Bemis open front black seat, which looks perfect for it. I also, from Amazon, ordered, hang on a minute, these bolt caps, these black bolt caps, which will look well with that seat. Will match up perfectly. So, yep, just figured I'd give you guys an update, and when this toilet is finally installed, you know damn well there's going to be a flush video of it. I will make sure of that. Yep, bye-bye Aquasaver. Hello, 1959 standard Compton. Now, originally, this toilet would have had a flush tower in it, made by American Standard, and a different handle, but when I got the toilet, that was long gone, and there was some crappy generic handle and crappy flat flush valve that was not even properly installed. So, yeah, I went with the tilt valve for a while, and then I decided for some reason to go because I wanted the Mansfield toilet, so I went with that. Figured I'd combine the best of both worlds and put a Mansfield handle and flush valve on this toilet, and it works perfectly. It'll work perfectly fine. I can't wait to give a flushing demo when I finally install it. So, pardon the mess. once, you know, this is all stuff I've ordered for my apartment, and including the towel holders, a shower head, door hardware, you know, wall plates that are brushed nickel finish, and you know, like I said, I will give a full tour of it once everything is in. For now, folks, bye bye.